What's up? What's up, guys? How y'all doing? You already know what time it is. It is crypto emergency meeting, and you know how we do it. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Deji, and I bring you the best of crypto trading. On my screen is BTC USDT chart, and I'm on the daily time frame. In the last video, I told you guys I was in a BTC short trade, and if the market broke this level, I was going to be taken out. But I didn't let myself get taken out because I knew the game the market wanted to play. I've been calling for this zone to be taken out, and I knew there was a very high chance that the market came here. So what did I do? I increased my stop. I didn't let the market take me out. I increased my stop to about this region here, $69,000. I knew it wasn't going to get there, so I put my stop there, and the market came, and now we're coming down. But is it over yet? Well, not yet, because I think we might have a little retrace. Today is Friday. We might have a little retrace upwards this way, trap a little more longs, and then before we continue to come down this way. So I'm going to be holding that short trade over the weekend, and hopefully by next week we begin to come down. Also, there's an equal high here which I think is going to be taken. So this level, around where my stop is at $69,000. I know the market is still coming back for this level, but before it does that, I think we come down first. Take out all of these guys, come down this way like this, come here, and then we come to take out this equal high. So my short is still valid. If you're not in a short trade, you should prepare to get in on a short. If we look at it on the 4-hour, you would see that the market is falling, the market has been dumping, and this is the region where people are expecting the market to bounce. Ideally, you expect the market to bounce here, anywhere around here and here, but the other block right there has been used, so I don't think it's gonna hold. I think the market is just maybe gonna pump when New York opens, pump back here, and then continue to dump here. If New York opens and the market pumps, I might even add more on the short trade. So that's what it is on the 4-hour time frame. If we look at the 1-hour time frame, the same thing. This right here was the week. It wasn't a body close. I mean, this right here, we had a weak close, not a body. If it was a body, then it means there's a strong push. Sellers are pushing the market, and I was going to be looking for a buy. I would close my short and look for a buy. But if New York opens and then this guy pumps really hard, and takes out this guy with the body of a candle, then it means the equal high I spoke about on the daily time frame is about to be taken first. I mean, this high and this high is about to be taken, and the market is about to go straight up to the 70k region. But I hope that doesn't happen, so that my trade continues to be valid. Okay, another reason why I know that the market is going to be coming for that high is that if we look at the USDT, I've been calling for this region to be taken, and eventually we came close, but it wasn't taken. So it's an equal low here on USDT, but an equal high on the BTC chart. Anyway, enough of that. So I'm going to turn on the zone master indicator right now, just to give what I've just said a little bit more confidence. So let's turn that on the daily time frame. Ultimately, this 70k region is going to be tested. It might not be exactly, but we're gonna come around it. Maybe 68, 69, anywhere around that place. We're gonna get there. But for me, I think we come down here first before we go up. I think we come down here first, anywhere around the 60k, 59k, and then we go back up to the 70k. So Zone Master is right. By the way, if you need this indicator, there's a link in the description to my WhatsApp. Shoot me a message and I'll give you this. Uni has been crazy. I'm still holding a short on this trade. Solana is in for a sell, massive sell coming up on Solana. I drew this line in my last video and I said we are surely coming down this way, and if we break this line, nothing's stopping us from coming down here, or maybe here, but we are coming down. So I would advise you to prepare for a short on Solana. If the market pumps on New York here, it would be a good time to enter a short on Solana. Let me look at this on the 1 hour time frame to see if there's an entry. Okay, saying enter here, so we'll see about that. If I look at it on the 4 hour, okay, take profit, so we'll see about that. AXS, this guy just keeps falling, nothing about it. Ethereum, okay, maybe Ethereum pumps a little bit here and then comes down. I don't see Ethereum pumping above this region right here. Tau, same thing, this guy is selling XAU. Well, I'm not trading this guy, so I'm just gonna focus on BTC and do that. For BTC, it's showing that we could pump back up to this region, which makes sense. So this is another zone BTC could pump to. I already marked it out. New York could open, we could pump here, but if we pump and break this level, it's not a good sign. It means we could go higher than all of this. We could come to the $69,000 mark. So I'm not expecting to see that happen. If that happens, not a good sign for my short. It means the 70k region might just be on the target. So see what happens over the weekend. It's Friday, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.